Hello, and welcome to a P11D Organiser tutorial, a quick and easy way to become a P11D expert. We will be covering these topics in today's video. Please sit back, relax, and let us do the explaining.
The P11D Organiser allows you to send out reports straight to your employees via email in the Reports wizard. Before we start actually emailing reports out, we need to build a list of employees that have both an email address and benefits in the system. We can do this by going into the filter window in the left-hand side of the screen, selecting All Employees with Benefits and Expenses, and then pressing Filter. Now that this list has been created, we need to go back to the filter window, select All Employees with an email address, highlight Active Lookup and click Filter once more. You can build a similar list for people who don't have an email address in the system, like leavers, so that you can print the report out and post it to them. We can now start the process of sending out reports to employees. We will go to the Reports wizard and select the report we want to send out. In this instance, it will be the benefit statement. There are multiple ways of connecting to the email functionality in the P11D Organiser. The two most common ways are via either Google OAuth or Microsoft 365 OAuth.
Can I attach a message to the email I will be sending out?
You can. By clicking on the email message button in the bottom right corner of the window, you can input a message that will be sent out to the employees. The message function uses HTML so that you can customize the text to your liking. Please note that the messages are report-specific, meaning that you will have to set a message for every type of report you want to send out. Now that we have everything prepared, we can send out an email to an employee. We are going to select Email and then Finish. If you would like to password protect the contents of the email, you can do so by checking the box in the top right corner of the window and selecting what you want the password to the content to be. This final screen is where you do the last checks before sending off the email. You can see at the top which email box the report will be sent out from and what the email address of the recipient is. You can also make sure that the message you have input is how you want it and that the content of it makes sense. Once you are happy with it, all there is left to do is press Email and the report will be sent out.
How can I send out the emails to the list I created?
To do that, all you have to do is check this lookup as opposed to this employee in the Scope section. Then you follow the same process as previously shown, and at the end, when you're ready to send the email, click the Rest button. That will ensure that the emails will be sent out in batch.
Thank you for watching. For more information, you can go to our support website, support.p11dorganiser.co.uk.